Hi, welcome to the weekly Dubai News Digest from Colife. I'm Irene, and here's everything you need to know. The weather forecast, key events, places to go, and of course, the best apartment deals of the week. Let's go! Daytime temperatures will be around 37 to 41 degrees Celsius. Nighttime will be around 35 degrees Celsius with as low as 26 hitting from Thursday 21st of May. Dubai's real estate market is on fire. Sales jumped 61% in just 1 year. Ajman bans motorbike couriers from using the high-speed left lane. They must use the right lane only. Here are the best apartment deals of the week. All apartments are fully furnished and ready to move in. Contact us for booking or more info. Link in the description. What's happening in Dubai this week? Exclusive 5-star super yard party will take place in Dubai Marina on May 19th, 21st, and 22nd. Enterprise AI Summit Dubai 2025 at Dubai World Trade Center on May 25th. International Conference on Performance Marketing and Marketing Techniques on May 20th. An International Conference on Business, Politics, Technologies, and Law on May 21st. Modern Working, located in Business Bay. That was your Dubai News Digest. Subscribe so you don't miss out on what matters. See you next time.